What's up friends, Right Nut here, and today we're going to be building a Mini Cooper. I think Lunchbox got this one when we were getting one of them specials where they give you something free. I don't remember exactly, but I'm sure I did a haul or something on it. Anyway, I have all three of these cars that they put out, the Beetle, the van, and this Mini Cooper. I'm excited though because they're going to put out the new Beetle this summer. I need to dig out the old one and put it back together. It's missing a couple pieces, so I gotta find those. But anyway, back to the point. This Mini Cooper is pretty cool. I resisted getting it for a long time because I thought it was overpriced for what it was. But now that we got it, we gotta put it together and check it out here. Let's see. It's got a picnic basket with all this fun stuff in it. It looks like it's a drop top or T-top or whatever they called that. It's got some engine detail, a spare tire in the trunk, and it looks like it all fits in there, so that's handy. Oh, and it's a manual. That's dying art. Leave me a comment if you actually know how to drive one. Let's see. I guess my first car was manual. It was actually a truck. It was really difficult. But anyway, beside the point. Let's rip this box open and put it together. Alright, well, we finally got it together here. Some better lighting. There we go. Alright, it's a pretty cute little car. It's got some nice little features here. I like how they hit all the studs and there's nothing showing. That's pretty cool. Other side, these are stickers. Doors do open. You can see all the inside and stuff. Here's the back. It's got a tailpipe and stuff. Let's see, this opens. Comes with a little picnic basket with wine and cheese and a baguette. A picnic blanket, and a wine or seltzer bottle or whatever that is. And you can see in there, in the boot as it were, it has a spare tire. Alright, the roof does come off pretty easily, just kind of sits on there, and get a good view of the interior. I like the seat patterns, that's pretty cool. Adjustable, your handbrake, stick shift, all that fun stuff. Kind of see interior there, it's got some gauges and stuff. Now I guess you could mirror build this because it's backwards for America since it's, you know, British. Anyway, then you can open the hood and see the engine. Pretty neat. Lots of little features and stuff. Anyway, post your questions, comments, complaints, concerns down below. Stay tuned for the speed build. Keep it real, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.